Today we're going to go over the Glock sights and upgrading them with these TruGlo Tritium handgun night sights. These are steel night sights that glow at night and are white in the day. They're circular. They're going to replace these factory sights that are recommended to be changed out. If anything on the Glock should be changed, it's the sights. And these are tritium, which is a radioactive material that supposedly glows for 10 years with no power source. In the dark, they'll turn green, and in the day, they'll stay white. So this is just showing you guys this pack. It was about $65 from Amazon and made in the US, Swiss tritium in there. And I'm just gonna open them and let's see what they feel like. I believe these are the same exact height as the Glock sights. And they will be my first upgrade to the Glock. Looking forward to installing them. Let's compare the two. Pretty much identical height. And the rear. Very similar height. So as you can see, these are glowing a little bit. And it's not even dark. And they already feel better to my eyes versus the factory stock ones. And now you can see in the dark how these are glowing. And this is the whole point of having night sights, so you could use them in the dark with no external power source.